Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and you're watching Reliable Roots, and today's video is another chalkboard drawing. For those who are new to my channel, I am a homeschooling mom to 3 girls, and we use a Waldorf-Inspired homeschool curriculum, and what part of that is using these chalkboard drawings periodically. So it could be once a year that you make a beautiful chalk drawing, or it could be once a day even, but I like to change mine out with each season because I find that that's a little bit more manageable at the first grade level, which is what I'm primarily basing my chalkboard drawing off of. For this age and this grade, we are doing a lot of fairy tales and a lot of nature sort of stories, and I always like to base my chalkboard drawings off of whatever stories we've been talking over. So today's story is based off of a princess who she has a locket that was given to her by her mom, that was given to her by a witch, and she was told to wear it all the time, that it'll protect her. And one day she's walking through the forest and she finds a key in a hollowed out tree, and she uses that key to open the locket, and inside are some seeds. And just at that same moment, a dove flies by. And she's a kind and generous princess, so she offers the dove some of the seeds, and sure enough, the dove turns into a prince. And as it turns out, the prince was had a spell cast over him by the same witch that gave her the locket, and they end up living happily ever after. So that is the story that I am drawing today. This was by request from my children. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be bringing our summer bucket list soon. We have a whole bunch of activities lined up for this summer. We will be doing homeschooling throughout the summer. Personally, I prefer it that way because I'm not a huge fan of the heat and the just the crowds of people that are usually out in the summertime. So I like to do homeschooling year-round because I find that the summer months are a great time to catch up on things when there are so many people at some of our normal favorite places, such as like the library and the splash pads. So this is a good time for me to kind of get caught up or even get ahead on next year. So that is what we will be doing this summer, but be sure to come back because I will be bringing the entire bucket list of some of the things that I hope to get accomplished. I always overplan, and always I never am able to cross off everything on our list, but I'm hoping that I get somewhat close this year. So leave me a comment below if you have any ideas, or let me know what you are doing this summer. I would love some more ideas about what we should do this summer, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!